So guys, I'm gonna review this 22-inch Black & Decker hedge trimmer. Now this is a cordless model. It does come with a 20-volt, 1.5 amp hour battery, and you are getting a charger as well with it. You do get the rubber on the outside, so it's not gonna be slipping. You get the protection on the actual trigger pull. So right out of the box, this is what it looks like. I only had to put in the battery, and to activate it, you just have to push this, depress that. And while you're depressing it, you pull the little trigger here, and that makes it go forward. So it does feel like it has a decent amount of power. I've only really worked with a lot of the corded ones, but this one here, it does have a nice handle you can use and a plastic guard. Fairly lightweight. With the battery, it adds a little bit of weight onto it, but I would recommend getting a second battery if you're gonna be doing a lot of work. It's saying that this can cut up to branches 3/4 of an inch thick, but I think 3,000 square feet is the max you'll probably get as far as if you're just doing constant hedging and it's just kind of light growth. It does come with a charger, and it does give you some directions as far as how to trim, starting at the bottom, coming up top, using a rope as if you want to have the trim be very precise. It is saying you can leave the battery on the charger indefinitely, like once it's fully charged, it's not going to harm the battery is what it's saying, but you can do what you want with that. So let's go outside and cut some bushes here. So this is the first bush I'm going to tackle. Starting on the sides, kind of starting at the bottom, going up. That way I'm not going to be messing any stragglers. This is another bush here. Had about 4 or 5 inches with kind of uniform growth on the top. So I was kind of nicked that in the bud here and just kind of knocked this off. It's not really having much of a vibration. It is cutting pretty easily. Obviously, these are just very small, extension, new branches, so I wouldn't expect much of a resistance here, but haven't had any issues with the battery so far. It's working out just fine, and you can get a different battery or an extra one if you do have a very large yard, but this is cutting just fine. And I took about 6 inches off the top of this bush. Just gonna kind of move it around, make sure no stragglers are around. I'll cut these ones off the edges as well. Now this is the bigger bush. This one here, I'm getting a lot of these 3-4 foot growths I just have not tackled yet while I've been watering other things, and this is just growing pretty crazy. So right here in the back, you can see it's cutting pretty well. This is where I have a lot of the thicker growth that I haven't addressed, and I'm just gonna kind of stick it back in there and cut in the upward motion, and I'm not getting really any resistance. This is working pretty good. I am pretty satisfied with this. And the one thing I like is, I'll show you in just a second, I can actually hold this with one hand. It's not super heavy, and it's got that 22-inch reach, so a pretty decent reach on this. I'm gonna get out the ladder and shape up the top and round it up a little bit, but it was getting hard to walk through this area, and I just figured I'd get the hedge trimmer out instead of just pruning, because that would take forever. And as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and hold this just with one hand out, and you can turn it on, and as long as you have some decent arm strength, you can do that for some intermittent pruning. So guys, would recommend this to take the battery out. All you do is depress this orange button here, and you pull it out, and you can put it on the charger. You'll get a green light, and it'll probably turn off or either turn a different color once it's all charged up. So would recommend this, guys. 22-inch Black & Decker hedge trimmer. I'm going to link it below and in the video, so let me know what you think.